Hello, my brave berry heroes. I'm Berry Brave Girl, and today we're going on a mission to give our eyes a super rest. Let's start with the berry blinker. Sit down, rub your hands together until they feel warm. Now place them gently over your eyes. Feel that warmth? It's like a cozy blanket for your eyes. Now, blink softly like a butterfly. Breathe in the sweet fruit air and relax. Now, sit up tall like a berry bush. We're going to be sky watchers. Gently look up at the rainbow sky in our valley. Don't move your head too fast. Imagine you're trying to spot the highest flying bird. This helps your neck and eyes feel so much better. Take a deep breath. Feel your body growing taller even as you sit. You're doing amazing, little hero. Keep looking up and breathing. To keep our eyes healthy, we need to focus. Let's become a fruit tree. Pick one tiny spot on the wall in front of you and keep your eyes right there. Lift one foot, balance. Imagine you're growing delicious strawberries on your branches. If you wobble, just smile. Even trees sway in the wind. Focus your eyes, find your balance, and breathe deep. You're so strong. Time to pick some berries. Reach all the way down to your toes. Let your head hang heavy like a big, ripe fruit. This helps the blood flow to our face and eyes, making them feel fresh and new. Can you wiggle your fingers like you're picking strawberries? Relax your neck, let out a big, itchy breath. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep hanging there. Feel the stretch. Back to the ground, heroes. Sit with your feet together like butterfly wings. While we flap our wings, let's move our eyes. Look to the left. Now look to the right. Without moving your head, it's like your eyes are the butterfly flying around the garden. This makes your eye muscles super strong. Flap, look, and breathe. Keep it going. All right, heroes, let's get low like a tiny strawberry squat. Sit deep into your heels and push your knees out with your elbows. Now, here is the secret eye trick. Look as far away as you can. Imagine you're trying to see a mountain in the next valley. Stretching our eyes to see far away helps them relax after looking at close screens. You look so strong and steady. Keep looking far, keep breathing. Ready to stretch like a giant berry bough. Lie on your tummy, grab your ankles, and lift. This pose opens our chest and helps us breathe in all the fresh orchard air. While you're up there, roll your eyes in a big circle, like a berry rolling down a hill. It's fun and great for your eye muscles. You're doing amazing. Hold your bow strong. Time for some flamingo focus. Stand on one leg and tuck the other one behind you. Now, point your finger at a spot far away and keep your eyes locked on it. This teaches our brain and eyes to work together perfectly. If you feel wobbly, just pretend you're a pink flamingo in a berry pond. Stay very still and very focused. You've got this. Hold it, keep breathing. Let's slither like a juicy cobra. Push your chest up and look up at the clouds, then slowly look down at the tip of your nose. Up and down, up and down. This is like a gym workout for your eyes. Feel your back getting strong and your eyes getting fresh. You're doing a super job, hero. Don't forget to breathe in that sweet strawberry scent. Keep moving those eyes. After all that work, it's time to be a tiny seedling curl. Sit back on your heels and let your forehead touch the floor. Close your eyes tight and imagine you are a little berry seed under the warm, dark soil. It's so quiet and peaceful here. This gives your eyes a complete break from all the light. Just breathe and relax your whole face. You're recharging your superpowers. Stay cozy. Let's build a rainbow arch over the valley. Lie on your back and lift your hips high. Can you see the rainbow colors above you? Keep your feet strong like roots. This pose helps our breathing and gives our eyes a different view of the world. Imagine you're a bridge made of strawberries and blueberries. Stay strong. Don't let the arch wobble. You're doing great. Hold it high. Time to be a wide-eye warrior. Step your feet wide and stretch your arms like you're reaching for the edges of the forest. Look over your front hand. Now, open your eyes as wide as you can. Spot the tiny blueberries hiding in the bushes far away. This pose makes our legs powerful and our vision sharp. Breathe in the courage. Breathe out the tired eyes. You look so brave. Hold it steady. This is a tricky one. Can you do the berry balance? Reach one hand down and lift the other leg up. Now, look up at your top hand. This is like looking at a star in the middle of the day. It's a great challenge for your balance and your focus. If you fall, just roll like a berry and try again. You're getting so much stronger. Focus your gaze and breathe. Fantastic. Get ready to zoom. Step 1 foot forward into a leafy lunge. Look straight ahead, right at the horizon. Imagine you're about to race through the orchard. Looking at something far away is like a holiday for your eyes. Keep your back legs straight and your heart open. You're faster than a shooting star. Breathe in the energy, breathe out, and relax your face.
Super job!
Let's twist like a twisting vine growing up a tree. Sit tall and look all the way behind your shoulder. What do you see? Maybe a hidden berry? Now look as far as you can to the back. This twist feels amazing for your spine and helps your eyes explore the whole world around you. Don't forget to smile. You're doing a wonderful job. Switch sides and look back again. Stay tall. Let's sail across the Juice River in our berry boat. Lift your legs and arms up. Can you see your toes? Keep your eyes locked on them. This helps our concentration and makes our tummy strong like a giant watermelon. Keep balancing, heroes. If the water gets wavy, just hold on tight and keep breathing. You're doing amazing. Now, let's become a bright candle flame. Lie back and reach your legs all the way to the moon. Look at your toes. Imagine they're glowing with berry light. This pose helps our blood flow back to our eyes and brain to make them fresh. Keep your neck very still and just look up. You look so tall and bright. Keep shining. Time to let out the berry lion roar. Kneel down, take a big breath, and stick your tongue out. Look way up at the middle of your forehead. This is the best stretch for your face and eye muscles. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Ha! One more time. Even louder. Ha! Wow, you look so brave and powerful. Great job. Let's be a sleepy strawberry rolling in the grass. Lie on your back and grab your feet. Now roll side to side. Ah, this feels so good for our back. Look at your feet as they move left and right. It's like watching a slow-motion berry race. Keep rolling and smiling. You've done such a good job taking care of your eyes today. Our mission is almost complete. Lie down flat for a cloud nap. Close your eyes very gently. Imagine you are floating in a sky filled with blueberry-scented clouds. Feel your eyes getting heavy, soft, and cool. No more screens, no more lights, just peace. You are a true berry hero. Take a deep, slow breath and just be still. Relax. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe now to follow the next yoga exercises.